Hey guys, happy Wednesday. Crypto FUD. Let's jump right in. So first things first, what I'm looking at, Bitcoin. We definitely had a nice little drop down. If you guys can see, we the channel that we've been looking at. Let's see here, the channel that we've been looking at for the last few weeks actually that I had drawn. Sorry about that. Let me zoom in. So the channel that we've had for the last few weeks that I've had drawn in, that we were locked in, we took some dips down. We definitely took some dips up. Looks like we're dipping back into the channel, but we're fighting. Looks like we're fighting to stay above. We're at 16,800, 16,858 to be exact. The channel marker, actually, I have it down, it's at 1679. That would be the top of the channel that we want to actually stay out of, that we form some kind of support. So we're definitely, we're above it, but we're not that much above it. Anything could bring us down, and from what it looks like, I think I was looking at other charts and I've seen like a death cross coming, little things like that, little indicators that are stating that we might see some kind of a downward movement to where we'll probably fall back into this channel. So we'll have to monitor it and see how it goes. If we do fall into this channel, we're probably going to look at not falling deep into it, but somewhere where we're going to have some kind of previous support, which would be somewhere around 16,570 is what I'm seeing. Like I keep saying, we have the Fed meeting coming out on the 13th and 14th of this month. That could be our catalyst that's either going to have us move up, or it could see us move down to the bottom channel, down towards 16,300. I've already said this plenty of times. If you haven't, check out the other videos. They're calling for a 50 basis point. If that's the case, then we definitely probably will see that already priced in, and we probably will see the market move up. How much up? We'll see how it goes. 50 basis points could be big. It could be what we need to possibly get ourselves, somewhere up towards the higher 17,000s, around 17,800, possibly seeing 18,000. Will it be short-lived? Possibly for right now, just because we have been down in the higher 16,000s. You will see some people probably taking profits around there, but I think for the long run, that would be a nice catalyst for us to start moving up. Same chart here, just a little different things here, but seeing this downward momentum. So we're going to have to see, like I said, I think we're going to have some downward movement up until this meeting coming out, and then from that meeting is where it's going to be kind of a tell-all if we're going to be moving up for the end of the year, or if we're going to be moving down. So we'll have to see how it goes. DXY, the dollar, still had a little move up, but it's still, if you look at the 3-month chart, it's still on a downward momentum. So we'll see how that goes, but I definitely see the DXY is slowly trickling down. It's not going to go steadily just straight down, but what it's going to do is it's going to be moving in waves. Especially if this 50 basis point Fed meeting, if that does take place, I've already called for possibly a sub 100 DXY, somewhere around $98, $99. We'll see how that goes, but all that will be good. But for right now, for the next coming week, we might see, because what Bitcoin's been doing is it's been kind of going down into this channel of around 16.8, 16.9, and then it'll kind of go up a little bit over 17,000. Sometimes it'll even have fun and go up to 17,300, but then it's short-lived and then back down. But the point of what I'm trying to get at is we've been staying above this channel marker that I have, and it's become, instead of resistance, what it was back here, resistance, it's become support, and that's still good. We're still in that same little area where we're getting support, so that's good. So we'll have to just keep monitoring it, see how it goes. MMF. We've already spoke about this. Small cap coin. This coin can be bought on Crypto.com. It's in the Crypto.com ecosystem. I won't take too much time on it, but I did want to just look at it. It had a nice little run up. A few days ago I made a video. It was up about 18-20%. Had a nice run. If you took profits, I don't blame you. I ain't mad at you. But remember what I'm saying about this particular coin and a couple other these are long-term plays with a market cap of about $5 million. For me, a 20% gain, really all it does is just stop me from dollar cost averaging during that time. And as we're slowly, I'm not going to say we're going to make our way down to the local low that we've had that was sub 1 penny. As we're kind of doing these little dips and we're down from where we're at right now, I will be dollar cost averaging in. Today I did buy in when we were about down here, just dollar cost averaging in. Not buying little chunks, just adding to the bag. Long-term play here, $5 million market cap. All the coins are already in circulation, so they're not going to be adding any more coins into circulation. This coin's a big coin for the Cronos network in regards to the swaps for a lot of new projects that are going to be coming out in the future. This coin has utility. It has the need. So I definitely am putting money into this coin myself. Not financial advice. $5 million market cap. All the coins are already in circulation, so you can't. For me, that's a win, long term. mShare. mShare's in the same ecosystem of obviously the Cronos, but it goes hand in hand with MMF. They all are together. This you can actually go into mShare and it'll kind of tell you as far as what it does. mShare is a part of Miramax Finance. That's MMF. It is a token that helps SVN, which is another coin that we're going to be covering, and it's pegged to MMF. mShare holders are rewarded with SVN during periods of network expansion. Like I have explained before, mShare is pretty cool. You go into SVN Finance. They have the link right here. And I'm on Dex Screener, so you guys can go into Dex Screener. Got to go into the Cronos Dex Screener, and you go on Dex Screener, and then you're going to go into the Cronos ecosystem, and these coins are going to be the top, usually at the top of the charts. You would go into SVN Finance, and you could stake this coin, but like I just read, during network expansion. So right now, the fact that the coin is, it's definitely down. They pause all staking rewards. But when the coin goes back up, the staking rewards is awesome, and they reward you with SVN, which is a coin that basically runs parallel with MMF, and they're all together. They're basically all in the same family. MMF has been up to $1.80, and SVN, the coin that we're going to be talking about, I might have another video tonight. If not, we go into a depth with it tomorrow. This coin's been up to like $1.60, $1.70. So in a good time when mShare is going up, you will get hundreds of these depending on how much you have and you're staking, which could possibly be hundreds of dollars in the future. Because SVN, like I said, as long as MMF goes up, these coins are going to go up. They all go together hand in hand. So mShare can only be bought through your DeFi wallet though on MMF Swap. Remember, MMF is going to be your main swap that you're going to use on the Cryptos DeFi wallet. Thank you guys so much. Any questions in regards to your DeFi wallet, anything like that, you guys let me know. DXY going down. Bitcoin's holding on to this top channel. We'll see how it goes. MMF, we're watching it. If it starts trickling down, which we might see where there's right here, there's some support. Going to be at the 0.01, which is a penny. It's 0.01040 is where I'm seeing some support. So we'll see how it goes, which is basically about a 10% drop from right now. 10-15% drop if it does that. Even if it does 5%, little 5% drops, if it does that, I'm accumulating. Remember, we're dollar cost averaging in. Thank you guys so much. Hope you guys have a great night. Like, subscribe, comment. See ya.